We've acted hundreds of times to prevent Iran from delivering
previously scheduled trilateral meeting of the national security
высоких представителей Израиля, России и США.
Before recent events, Iran has been לפני כמה שעות כלי טיס סורי.
Замечательное мероприятие, которое ставило
בוקר טוב. רצית, אני רוצה לברך בשם.
I doubt even that there's going to be any serious limitation of the Iranians in Syria as a result of this meeting. Although the Russians may continue to acquiesce in Israeli strikes at the Iranians, so long as Russian materiel or especially personnel are not directly harmed by it.
There is quite a space in which Russia can be very persuasive in telling Assad to curb, to restrain, to limit Iranian activity in Syria and prevent them from using Syria as a platform for further destabilization in the region.
I don't see a confluence of interests between Russia and Israel in Syria. For the time being, there has not been a direct clash. So the Russians are not seeking a confrontation with Israel. They have no reason to. But they are more committed to the Iran-Assad, Hezbollah axis than they are to Israel. And if they have to make a choice, I think it will go in that direction.